In this video, I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. So we're going to start it from our Coinbase Wallet app, and from here we're going to click on this transfer option at the bottom, and from here we're going to click on receive at the bottom left. Once you are in this section, go ahead and click on Ethereum and then click on the copy to clipboard icon just after it. And once you have that done, go ahead and open Coinbase to paste in the wallet address in there. From the home tab of Coinbase, we're going to click on transfer at the bottom right. From here, click on send crypto and paste in the wallet address of Coinbase Wallet just in here. After you have done that, go ahead and click on this. After you have done that, go ahead and click on this wallet icon in here and now select Ethereum. Once you are in this screen, you need to select the network, and for Ethereum, I'm always going with the default network, and if you're choosing a different one, you can do that, but it is really important that you match network on Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet, because otherwise your crypto might get lost in the transaction if the networks do not match. So I'm just going with the default one, and in here I'm going to enter the amount that I'm going to transfer, and I'm just going to transfer €2.25, and after I'm going to click on preview. Because I'm in the EU, I need to fill in this as well, so I'm going to fill in self-custody wallet. If you're sending to yourself, go ahead and check this box, and otherwise fill in the recipient's full name and country of residence, and after click on continue down below. And once you're in here, you will see the transaction details of your transfer. So check if everything is right, the address, if the network is alright, and then you will also see the sending time, that is around 32 seconds. And if everything is alright, go ahead and click on send now at the bottom. Once you have done that, you will see this transaction confirmation, and now you can just go ahead and click on done. And now you will see your transaction in your transaction history screen in this section. So now we can just go to Coinbase Wallet to see if it's already there. So as you can see, it has been received, and it has been received almost instantly. So this is how you transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.